Welcome to this instructional video on your Orkel compactor. In this video, we will show you how to set up your F10 feed hopper. Setting up the feed hopper for operation is a simple process. Begin by leveling the machine. If you need some help, check out our video on how to level your Orkel compactor for operation. First, you need to lower the feed hopper. Make sure to open the ball valve locking the feed hopper into transport position. Then lower the feed hopper by pushing the lever marked table down, table up. Remember that the feed hopper needs to be level or lower for the covers to fit. Once the feed hopper is at your desired height, unfold the side covers of the feed hopper. Begin with the upper right side cover, followed by the upper left side cover. Then, you need to attach the two middle covers. These are the covers closest to the elevator. Begin with the bottom cover and make sure it snaps into position before you move on to the top cover. Attach the clips on the top and bottom to lock them in place. Repeat on the other side. The speed of the feed hopper is adjusted from the factory, but if you want to make your own adjustments, please check out our other videos on how to do so. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. Please check out our channel for more instructional videos on your Orkel compactor.